Today we're going to be telling you how to turn your fan off on your 2015 Ford Edge. What happened was we turned our car off, but our fan right here, you can see your fan is right there, it just kept running and running and running and wouldn't stop, and basically it's going to run until our battery goes dead. What we decided to do was pull the relay and then put it back in, see if that stopped the problem. And it did, it fixed it for us. You might have to buy a new relay, and we'll go through the process right now. So come over to your fuse box right here, which also has relays. You got two clips here, just pull that one out, and you should be able to lift this up and pop it off. These three control the fan unit, and we pulled the middle one, and that stopped the fan from running. But if that doesn't work for you, then pull this one or pull this one. These two are the same. This one's a little bit different. And so what we did was we pulled this, cleaned it up, we actually put it back, and then the fan still worked as normal once we turned the car back on. So hopefully this will fix your problem right here. Let's show you how we did it. And I just took my hand and popped it out. And then I cleaned it off. I didn't use my shirt, but I used the microfiber cloth. We just cleaned it off, and then I put it right back in the holes, exactly like it is. All right, and put our cover back on. Make sure that's popped in. And that fixed our problem. So if your fan keeps running after your car is off and just keeps running and running, sometimes they run after the car is off just to cool the engine down, but if it runs for about more than 20 minutes, you have a problem. And that's a common problem on these EcoBoost Ford Edges that we've found. So if this helps you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.